Hi everyone, my name is Vlad and I'm a data engineer. Welcome to Intuitive SQL for Analytics. This here is the main webpage for the course. You will find it in the video description, and this will get updated over time with links and resources, so be sure to bookmark it. Now the goal of this course is to quickly enable you to use SQL to analyze and manipulate data. This is arguably the most important use case for SQL. And the practical objective is that by the end of this course, you should be able to confidently solve hard SQL problems of the kind that are suggested during data interviews. The course assumes no previous knowledge of SQL or programming, although it will be helpful if you've worked with spreadsheets such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, because there's a lot of analogies between manipulating data in spreadsheets and doing it in SQL. And I also like to use spreadsheets to explain SQL concepts. Now, there are two parts to this course, theory and practice. The theory part is a series of short and sweet explainers about the fundamental concepts in SQL. And for this part, we will use Google BigQuery. BigQuery, which you can see here, is a Google service that allows you to upload your own data and run SQL on top of it. So in the course, I will teach you how to do that and how to do it for free. You won't have to spend anything. And then we will load our data and we will run SQL code. And besides this, there will be drawings, and we will also be working with spreadsheets and anything it takes to make the SQL concepts as simple and understandable as possible. The practice part involves doing SQL exercises, and for this purpose I recommend this website, PostgreSQL Exercises. This is a free and open source website where you will find plenty of exercises and you will be able to run SQL code to solve these exercises, check your answer, and then see a suggested way to do it. So I will encourage you to go here and attempt to solve these exercises on your own. However, I have also solved 42 of these exercises, the most important ones, and I have filmed explainers where I solve the exercise, break it apart, and then connect it to the concepts of the course. So after you've attempted the exercise, you will be able to see me solving it and connect it to the rest of the course. So how should you take this course? There are actually many ways to do it, and you're free to choose the one that works best. If you are a total beginner, I recommend doing the following. You should watch the theory lectures and try to understand everything. And then once you are ready, you should attempt to do the exercises on your own on the exercise website that I've shown you here. And if you get stuck or after you're done, you can watch how I solved the exercise. But like I said, this is just a suggestion, and you can combine theory and practice as you wish. And for example, a more aggressive way of doing this course would be to jump straight into the exercises and try to do them. And every time that you are stuck, you can actually go to my video and see how I solved the exercise. And then if you struggle to understand the solution, that means that maybe there's a theoretical gap, and then you can go to the theory and see how the fundamental concepts work. So feel free to experiment and find the way that works best for you.